another video. I hope you're having an amazing day so far, and if you're here for the first time, hello, myself Gatha, and I make videos about study, productivity and lifestyle. And today we are going to plan May, and I can't believe it is actually May. This day goes so fast. And if you're interested in any of those topics, consider clicking the subscribe button down below and press the bell icon so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. And before actually getting into the video, I have a quick reminder to everyone, which is to stay inside, don't go outside if it is not necessary, and if you go, wear a mask and take care of yourself and family. And now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Hello, so now we are on my computer screen, as you can tell. So before actually starting to plan May, first we will reflect on April, so it will get us an overview what we have achieved and what we still have to achieve. So these are some questions which will help us to go through and reflect more easily. Now you can pause the video and grab a pen and paper and reflect by yourself as well. And you can do it digitally or on paper, that is up to you. So let's start with some questions. So the questions are like, what's my happiest memory about April? What areas of my life did I grow the most in? From 1 to 10, how do I feel about this month? This month was. Now here you have to describe April, like how it went. Crazy, happy, sad, productive. However it was, describe that. What are some things I can or I have to improve in next month? What is the one thing I have accomplished that I'm proud of? What do I look forward to achieve in next month? So these are some questions which will help us to reflect. Now I will see you in few minutes. I will just write off all the things and then I will show you. The reason why I can't show is that takes some time. So that's why I'll see you in a second. Hello, so it's me again. Let's quickly go through some of the answers and then we'll get started with the planning. Okay, so my happiest memory about the month was releasing my first ever mobile game, and that is still a beta version, but still it is like my most ever exciting and happiest memory. Seeing people's response and support and feedback on the knockoff, which is my game's name. You guys supported the game and shared and every cool stuff, and the feedback and reviews, they were really helpful and amazing. And next thing was my birthday and amazing texts and wishes I got. They were super amazing. Okay, what areas of my life did I grow the most in? That has to be self-growth and hobby. From 1 to 10, how do I feel about this month? That is 8. And this month was crazy, exciting, full of happiness, productive, and a bit of stress. What are some things I can or I have to improve in next month? I gotta read more books. What is that one thing I have accomplished that I'm proud of? Of course, releasing my game. What do I look forward to achieve next month? Releasing next update of my game, filming more exciting videos, reading a book, and being healthy. Now, this was all for reflection. Let's get started with planning. Hello, so let's see what we have here. So also we have some questions here like May will be, goals for this month, mini goals, which is basically just breaking those goals down, and then weekly breakdown of those goals and mini goals like into weeks. So I will fill this up and then I will see you. Hello, so I'm done with planning and let's quickly go over that so you have an idea how to plan. Okay, so I want my May to be productive, self-care and self-growth based. And my goals for this month are, I have made little sections here so it is easier to look at it and it is more organized. So goals for game development are releasing next update of my game, working on feedback and fixing all the bugs. For health, I want to be more healthy, hydrated, and get more sleep. Okay, for self-growth and self-care, I want to read one book and no phone hour. So this is experiment of no phone hour just when I wake up, and I think I will film a video like what difference do I see when I do not touch my phone right when I wake up. So that's the thing. And now for the mini goals. Mini goals are basically just like breakdown of these goals into like mini ones, so it is easier for us to achieve them. So for game development, making more levels and adding up background music, for example. For health, 10-minute workout every morning, walk in the evenings, and drinking at least 2.5 liters of water. And for the self-growth and self-care, reading every day, less social media, giving time to myself, and doing things I love. And now in the bottom we have weekly breakdown of those goals and mini goals. So I'm not gonna read that because that will just take time. It is basically all of those goals and I just like arranged that in a week. So that's the thing, so I'm not gonna read that. And in the bottom I have the calendar, so I have like important dates or something. I will just like put that down there. So yeah. So this was it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and let me know what are your goals for next month, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling, have an amazing day, bye.